Alright, not entirely sure what's happening, but I do know that the stream that I tried before didn't work because I was deciding to do, like, gaming, and, that didn't really work out very well. So, today we're just gonna be, like, making a game instead of gaming, so, yeah, why not? So, let's go ahead and, like, just start with, what is some of these stuff on my what is going on? What is any of this? I do not know what any of this is. This is like, why? Alright, just go ahead and just look at my videos, because I don't know if this is live yet. Yeah, making a game using Unity. Should be live. Alright, so alright, so let's, I think we should just start with, because, yeah, I'm gonna wait for some people to start, joining. And then I'm gonna kind of explain what's happening. So first, I'm gonna open up Unity, because to make a game in Unity, you have to kind of open Unity. You know. Look at that! Look at how pretty that is. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Alright, we recommend installing the Unity Hub. Oh yeah, right. We kind of have to open up the Unity Hub then. Alright. So I'm just gonna. I already like started using Unity like a few like a few weeks ago. So I just need like some refreshers on how to like do things. I know how to do like simple like two-dimensional movement, but instead of going 2D, let's go 3D, because why not? Why did my camera freeze? My camera just turned off. I just unplugged my camera. Oh my god. Guys, just don't be like me and just start unplugging random things. Oh my god. What keeps plugging in and unplugging? This is so annoying. Ugh. Why is it not working? Alright, I did that. Alright, there we go. So let's just not be stupid again. There we go. So let's go 3D. No, let's just go 2D, because I don't know what to do. Name it, haha, game, go, brrr, and hit create project. I don't really know what's happening. Hello, Careless Ping. If you guys have any ideas for something that I should do, to do with, like, Unity, or, like, game making in general, I would be very happy to hear it, and probably might add it. So, like, my idea is, sorry, I'm just a little bit congested. So, I just, while it's kind of loading here, I'm just gonna kind of explain it with some breathtaking drawings using MS Paint, the greatest paint maker ever. Hello, Allison. Look at it, it's you guys. Look, it's you guys. You guys can't see that. The resolution's too low. But that's you guys. Now you're on my thing. There you go. Let's see what we can like add. What can we add? I didn't even mean to do that. Well, here's I have no idea why that is so small, but let's just go ahead and make that bigger. So, for example, there's two players, and I'm just gonna like use this guy as the first one, and then use the blue as the second one. So, here is the first guy, and here is the second guy, right? The first guy, and both of them just kind of like move towards each other like they fall. Why is it blue there? I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Your trombone has a dent now. That's not good. At least I think that's what that says, right? Yeah, that's not good. I don't like it when that happens. So they're both of them just kind of like move towards each other, and they both just kind of like fall. He's kind of stretched out, but whatever. And if you're kind of like Flappy Bird, but like one of them, one button controls this guy, and then it kind of like jumps. And if this guy touches this guy, if like the red guy touches the blue guy, the red guy wins. So like if he's like, "Woo, I'm jumping now," and then touches the blue guy, the red guy wins. And then now it is the blue guy's turn. So if the blue guy goes down to here, jumps up and touches the red guy, the blue guy gets a point. And it's just kind of complicated to explain, but I made it using JavaScript before, so yeah. That's my idea. So I'm just gonna go with that. Gonna go with a really small initial scope for this, and I just realized my microphone's a little sideways. It has not done a single thing for 3 minutes. I'm stuck in a furniture thingy without a jacket, and I'm outside. It's 21 degrees. How? How are you not? How are you still alive? I would be dying if I was outside in 21-degree weather. It's making progress. Woohoo! I think it's because I was on a different thing, but I don't know if that's how that works. I don't know how to add the chat to the screen. If you guys know how, I would be very happy. How do I add this to this? I don't know. I guess we could add a window capture. Name this chat. And let's set it to the Is it even No? What? I don't know how to I don't know why that's not doing anything, but you know what? That's okay. Let's just get rid of chat. We'll just keep it there for now. It's about 30 in the box according to the phone. You're in a box? Oh my gosh, Unity, please, could you go any slower? I would honestly really enjoy it if you went faster, please. It's been 5 minutes and you're not even halfway there. 6 minutes actually. Sorry, I didn't do. All right, you know what? We might not just use we might not use Unity because Unity doesn't want to do anything today. It's a lot like me, anyways. So I might just like use JavaScript. Well, not a box, it's a shelf thingy. Oh, why even a shelf? Hi, dreamers of meme. We're just sitting here. If you came late, that's okay. It's woo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Good job, Unity. I don't know what that meant, but okay. So I don't know if wait, where did the chat go? Oh, it leaves. It dies. Okay. That's nice. Well, that really sucks. I don't know how to add. I'm French. Oh, hi French. I haven't seen you in like 10 years. And do you use VR or 2D or 3D? I'm doing a two-dimensional game. I explained my game idea earlier, but I think you were gone for that. I don't know. I don't know though. So I don't know. So I'm just kind of here doing whatever I want. So first thing before when you start a project, you always gotta add a square. A square is the first way to always start a game. You do not start with a circle, a capsule, a isometric diamond, or any of these. You start with a square. And boom, look at that. Look at this. And then you're just gonna scale it like that. Boom! Got a ground. And now I just gotta add a two-dimensional box collider so it Nope. You just gotta add a two-dimensional box collider so it collides with boxes. Boom! Look at that. Alright. I agree with that. Honestly. French, I 100% agree with what you just said. Alright, so basically, I am very congested, but that's not the thing that we have to worry about right now. We just have to also create another square. Actually, you know what? Let's add a circle. Why not? This right here is the player. And now we just gotta do some coding, and too bad you can't. I didn't add like a fun little thing, so I'm just gonna add movement. Or I'm just gonna do player. Oh. Just gonna wait here. Alright. My computer sucks, so it takes 10 years to do things, so, yeah. Every time I open something, my camera just decides to start going at like 2 FPS. Careless Pig, I escaped just in case you don't know. I'm Sven from Discord. Yeah, I know. I know that you are Sven, because you have the you're from Bronze Discord server. I think everyone here is from Bronze Discord server. What the? Why does it have the Windows 7 window? What is? It never had that before. That's really weird. So basically, I think these comments right here kind of like explain everything so far, but I'm gonna explain as I go. So basically, I'm just gonna define some. I'm just gonna define some variables real quick. So public float 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 speed equals 5, maybe. Oh yeah, by the way, in C# you always add a capital first part. I have equipped a jacket. Yes! Careless Pig has equipped a jacket. Achievement get. Let's go. We are all just making progress today. Like, it's insane how much progress we're all making. So the speed is 5. Now all we need to do is just add some movement, pretty much. And it's just within this update function here. So basically, if what is happening? If you got a notification from YouTube of my stream, if so, that's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna do I think it's a float. I don't know why I cannot spell float. Fleat. I cannot spell float today. Float, and then horizontal equals input dot get axis raw. Then the axis name, I'm just gonna go with horizontal. Just make sure. We don't even need to do that. We just need to do transform, I think. No, I think we could just set the velocity, right? Private rigid body 2D. And that is just like physics. Like you'd add a fidget body. You'd add a rigid body to the little thing to like your player and he would fall. So let's do private rigid body RB because I don't feel like spelling that out ever. And then let's go ahead and just do RB equals get component rigid body 2D. Boom! Look at that. So now I think all you have to do is rigid body dot velocity equals new vector horizontal 0 0. I think that's how that works. I think it's also a vector 2. Horizontal, let's multiply that by speed. Alright, so let's go ahead and just attach it. And here we go, taking 10 years to do a single thing. So, Trent! I don't know why I just screamed that. Sometimes I just like scream random things sometimes. When I say sometimes, I mean all the time. Alright, so basically, if we just take this thing and just smack it on the player, and then also add a hold on. I'm getting there. Where is it? Oh, my mouse is on it. Oh my god. All right. Just gonna press and just gonna go press that, and I realized I did not add a collider to the player, so it's just gonna. Yep, didn't add colliders. I don't know why the player is falling so slowly. It's kind of dumb. So that's not good. Braun, I 110% agree with what you just stated in the chat currently at this very second. So, all right, now let's see if this works, and it's still gonna fall at a ridiculously slow amount. So while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna, Oh yeah, also the script is, also the script isn't working. Oh, it is working. Let's go. Uh, Wait, how loud am I? Am I like super loud? I don't know. But it's working. Look at that. I've never been more happy in my life. Well, until the physics start working. Oh, it's because the vector 2. I'm such a not smart boy. The mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Sorry, that was probably really loud because I'm looking at the thing and it's like really loud. Alright, application.reload. Yep, just gotta do a bunch of other things that don't really seem very necessary. Nope, that did not work. But at least we have movement. Why isn't it working? It's like cat eats bread that tastes like pancakes. Okay, I agree. Cat eats bread that tastes like pancakes. You know what? Actually, that is like the truest thing um that can like anyone can ever say. So, yeah. Good job, Braun. Very cool. But now the issue is it's setting like the y velocity to something like to 0, and the gravity I think is trying to pull it down, but the velocity keeps trying to set it back to 0. So it's just kind of like moving down slowly. So let's just set it to the rigid body dot velocity dot y, and that should fix it, right? All right, now let's go ahead and play it. Ah. So, how's your guys' day been? Physics! Look at that. Alright, guys, if you guys have any ideas, please state them now. Like, better ideas than this. Because currently I just have a circle and a square. I need more ideas. But now we have physics, so that's good. So instead of being able to move with freely, you shouldn't be able to move freely, but okay. I should name it like 2D tag or something. This is a green blanket. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. So I don't really know what to do with this. So I don't know what to do. So if you guys have any ideas, please. Oh wait, Braun, was that an idea? I think I think that was an idea. All right. Let's see here. Hold on. Let me just see if we can get some more people to join because currently it's not really working out because there's like two people. There's like one person on. So let's just add some. Just go ahead and just get some. See here. All right. So I just like announced it to a lot of people. So maybe we should get some people. Uh oh. Bron's typing. All right. Well, if we can't get many people to join, then might just stop the stream. But right now we should have one that's like controlled with like the WASD, and then one that's controlled with JIK and L. But I don't really know, so I don't really know how to do that. But in my other game that I like made with JavaScript, they just continuously moved from one side of the screen to the other side of the screen. So if we have that kind of mechanic and they just got to jump, that makes some sort of fun multiplayer game. You know, that's just what I'm proposing. Oh, all right. Thanks, Bron. There we go. Sure. Add everyone. All right, thanks. Hey, by the way, Echo. No more Echo. For what you profile image on Discord. Huh? For what your profile image on Discord is not you. That is me. With a funky filter. Hello, 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 hello. Alright, so that should be better. Alright, so basically, this is our player guy. This is our first player, and like I said in the amazing drawings, he is supposed to be red. So let's make him red. Boom. You know C++/C# for Unity. I do know C#. For Unity, I do need to like use yeah, I do know C#. C++ I'm still trying to learn, but I do know a little bit of, and C# with for Unity I kind of understand. Yeah. Brun, is the cat eats bread that tastes like pancakes an idea? Because that would be a good challenge to try to make some sort of funny game that you guys make. Dead group on Hippo Dev. Hippo Dev is a Hippo Dev, more like Hippo Dead. That wasn't fun. That wasn't funny. Anyways, this guy is red, and there's an identical circle that is, you guessed it, blue. Well, yeah, that's pretty fun. Thank you for the three, now two people watching. See if we do this when we run it. They both move, and they both died. Okay, that wasn't necessarily what I wanted. Sure. All right. So if it's a, you want a wrench mod? You want mod? Yeah, I think that's what is happening here. So actually, hippo dev equals hippo dead. Hey, you joke stealer. You stole my joke. Cortana, I literally did not ask. Get away. Thank you. Okay. So they're gonna have like um they're gonna have some sort of like direction that they're going in. So like there's the blue one who's gonna go like who's gonna fall. I don't know what I'm trying to explain here, but basically one they're both gonna have like a set direction. So like the blue one, I think that one's blue, right? No, that one's red. The red one is gonna fall, and he's gonna try to murder the blue one. And then they're gonna have a set direction. So you can activate the subtitle if you can. I cannot understand you. The sub. Can you do that on streams? If we are two, I'm with Braun, but only Braun. I'm with Braun, but only Braun. Yeah, I think it's just you and Braun. I don't know. So I am just going to like set like program some directions, I guess. But I don't know if that's gonna be very fun. Don't understand my explanation. Yeah, don't don't worry. I will just kind of like explain it. So like the direction is like either left, I think, is 0, and right is 1. Yeah, right I think would be 1. So zero is left and 1's right. So we can like you know do some epicness. No, I just deleted all of it. You just get rid of this guy. You know how that goes. Oh my gosh, I'm just deleting everything today. So basically, like if the direction is equal to 0, which is left, then all right. You have a question? What is your question? You do the reverse on the red circle. And you click on Z or W. Oh, we're just gonna have like jump. So, like, for example, like Q or like yeah, W would be like jump for the first player, and then O would be jump for the second player. You know what I'm saying? So like if the direction is 0, then RB then the rigid then like the velocity of the player is red go right and blue go left. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm trying to do here. That's pretty much what this script is going to do. It's like the RB dot velocity is a new what is it called? Help me out here. Oh, vector 2. Ow! I don't know why my toe just decided to hurt like that. So like the direction is 0, which is left. The velocity is going to be negative. So like negative speed. And then 0. And then RB and then otherwise the rigid body dot velocity equals new vector 2 speed, and then it's 0. No. -1 should be left. Because 0 should be just stopped. So, like, -1 is left. I know it's a little complicated to understand, and it's a little complicated to explain. So, hi, Allison. I just can't explain things right now. So let's go ahead and just do if the direction is equal to 1. Then RB dot velocity dot y. Velocity y. All right. So this should like make it like help. This should like help it a little bit. So we take the first player. We take the first player and we if it loads, which is not going to, so I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit. Hey, look, it loaded. So like for the player, the direction is 0, which means it's not gonna move. But for this player, the other player shouldn't move. So let's go ahead and just set it to -1, which should be left. No, let's set it to 1, which is right. and set this guy to it shouldn't move. Should I have this? Like, should I put this here? Would that look cool? Because that would be like, that would look really cool, but at the same time, it wouldn't be very productive. Oh! It works! Okay. So, like, and then as soon as they hit, like, a certain wall, they'll, like, change directions or something. What am I trying to do? Two-dimensional object, which is going to be a square. Do some epicness. Copy paste. Oh, that didn't work. Duplicate. Boom. Duplicate that. Move my boy up. There we go. Look at that. So it's kind of like you're in a box, and each player has to like jump out of the way. And then I think I should make it so like if it collides with this guy, it like hits. It sets its direction to right. I don't know. Echo. Echo. No, that's not very echoey. I can't really hear, so I'm just gonna make it so I can hear myself. But basically, that's what it's gonna do. It should like make it so it this guy should fall and go right, and this guy should just not move, but just fall. There we go. Oh, they don't have colliders. Okay, that's nice. Love it when that happens. You know. All right, so I don't really know what to do here because I don't know how to do it. So like run code on collision with a certain object or something. I just know how to do simple things like just move the players. I don't know how to like change their variables by just existing. So that's fun. So that'll be like a fun adventure to kind of have. So let's just add a component, physics 2D, box collider. They both have box colliders, perfect. Ron, I agree with that assessment like so hard right now. Well, since this isn't really like working out, I'm not getting many like suggestions on what to do or something. So if you guys have ideas, like I said, like 16,000 and a half times, you guys can give me ideas, but I don't have any ideas. So just kind of like here. Do you guys want to get on like a call or something? So you can like make a Roblox game or something? Because I know like Lua like everything ever. Do you guys want to like get on a call or something? Hmm. I don't really know what to do honestly, cause we made this guy so like we could like move and set the direction. So if we set that to like one, that's left and stuff like that. So Is it because of that? I just like deleted my entire everything. All right, well, I guess I'm just gonna end the stream. Oh, you can hear us. All right, so it'll take a second. It'll like take a second to. So all right. So that's pretty cool. Ah! I just smacked my microphone. All right. So basically, I don't know why, like, just decided to. I don't know why it just decided to not, but you know what? It did, and it made me very sad. So basically, now that we have sound, Justice. Hi, Justice. So we like have this guy in the direction. Ah, I. All right. The direction is -1. Oh! Woo! Wait, I selected both of them. Why did I select both of them? This guy's direction is 1. The other one should be -1. So they should, according to my calculations, should fall and smack each other. Alright. That's cool. So now we have, like, some sort of thing. Now we just need to make, like, jumping. Make an orange that flies around the moon. Okay, why not? Let's make an orange that flies around the moon. All of this stuff that we know and love. Goodbye. Okay, let's keep this player. Let's keep this guy. But other than that, get rid of it. And this guy is now the new player. And he's an orange, so he's orange. But that's not a very good orange, is it? No, it's not. So we have to go to the best editor ever, and that right there is paint. Ha! Look at that. 100 by 100 pixels. 500 by 500 500 pixels. Alright, we just gotta draw an orange. Alright, let's draw a circle. Boom, that's an orange. We're just gonna fill it with orange. And then we just gotta have a little cute face on it, because why not? There we go. Save as. Let's just save this in our sprites folder with orange.png. Sprites. Sprites. Alright. Gonna open up the sprites. That's our player. That's our player, boys. Oh, gosh. Alright, so this is our player. And he needs to get home. But he doesn't have a home. Also, he needs to have bigger eyes. Also, it needs to be filled. Let's see here. Alright. Just gonna do that. Why won't it copy? Whatever. Have the size at like 5 pixels. 8 pixels. Boom. Look at that. Whoa, that's terrifying. But don't worry, that that is terrifying. What? That should change. No, it didn't change. Gosh, this game is broken. What? Gosh, delete the sprite. Delete. What? Where is the gosh darn? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's take the orange. Just put them in there. Boom, we got an orange. Now we just gotta set. What the? Take this guy and just scale him down a lot. There we go. Look at that. We got ourselves a little guy here. Now we're just gonna add some physics to him. And he should fall. He falls. Go ahead and also add ourselves some box colliders. And there we go. I don't know what I'm doing here. But all I know is that we need a square to act as the floor. We're just gonna make a big fat square. And then this guy is gonna fall in this. And then the orange, who is, wait, what was the idea? Flies around the moon, not square. He doesn't fly around the square. He flies around the moon. He flies around the moon. He doesn't fly around the square. Oh, what? Not square. Circle. Whoa, dude, that's crazy. And then just gonna move it. And then we're just gonna have this guy. He's gonna orbit around the moon. This idea is so stupid, but at the same time, it's the best. Basically, I think we can set. He has physics, but he needs to rotate around the moon. So I don't know how to really set the. Oh, that's the box collider. I don't know how to do this. But we're gonna try, right? Yeah. So this guy right here is just gonna move. He's just gonna rotate around the moon. But I don't know how to do that. So just gonna do some googling. That's not Google. I don't think. All right, so we're just gonna do some Unity rotate around point. This seems fairly simple. This isn't working. Transform dot rotate around the position dot time of delta time. You know what? Because I am lazy and I don't want to, just like do things. Let's just gonna go ahead and just borrow some of that code real quick. And the player should be moved onto the player script should be moved into this guy. Player script. And then this right here. Just gonna borrow some of that code. See, it doesn't know what any of this stuff means, and that's okay. because I think we can just you know, game object target dot transform dot position. Get rid of this guy. And there we go. What? So let's just import that into Unity. You can see this little player script here. Eventually, as it loads, it's going to rotate around the player. It should. Oh! See this game object here? Gonna take the circle. Just put that at target. I think, do you have to like change like a distance? I don't know what that means. That's okay. Alright. I'm just gonna put that here, maybe? I don't know. Should we put that there? I don't know. Let's not. This is gonna take forever. Oh yeah, of course. It's gonna fall. Because I added a rigid body. Remove component. You know how that goes. What? Alright, maybe the axis dot up. What? Up. Left? I don't know. What? So it's up, left, right. Is it forward? I don't know if it's forward. It always just takes forever. You could have made the smallest change, and the code would take 10 years to just even import. That's nice. Oh, yes. There we go. Look at that.